Hello everyone! Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tips for a healthier, happier life. Today, we're diving into a topic that's a real game changer for all the busy professionals out there: healthy meal preparation ideas. We understand the struggle of juggling a hectic schedule while trying to maintain a balanced diet. It's like trying to juggle oranges while riding a unicycle, challenging, but not impossible. Fear not, because we've got your back with practical and delicious meal prep tips that'll make your taste buds sing and leave you with enough time to conquer your 9-to-5 grind without skipping a beat. So, grab your chef's hat, or apron, whichever is handy, and let's embark on this culinary journey together. But hey, before we dive into the delicious details, don't forget to show us some love by smashing that like button, subscribing to our channel, and ringing the bell icon, because, trust me, you don't want to miss out on these life-changing tips. Alright, let's get cooking. First things first, why should you consider meal prepping? Meal prepping offers numerous benefits that can make your life easier and healthier. Not only does it save you valuable time and money by reducing the need for last-minute, often expensive food choices, but it also helps you stay on track with your health goals. When your meals are prepared in advance and ready to go, you're far less likely to reach for unhealthy options out of convenience or hunger. Additionally, meal prepping allows you to have better control over portion sizes and ingredients, ensuring that you're getting all the nutrients you need to power through your busy week. By planning ahead, you can create a balanced diet that supports sustained energy levels, enhances productivity, and promotes overall well-being. Breakfast. Let's start with a healthy breakfast. Breakfast is indeed the cornerstone of a healthy start to the day, as emphasized by Mr. Mayor Hawthorne's belief that breakfast is the most important meal of the day, and I definitely have a hearty breakfast before I do anything. This meal serves a crucial purpose: to break the fast from the night before, providing essential nutrients and energy. For busy professionals, finding time for a nutritious breakfast is vital. Quick and healthy recipes not only nourish the body but also support mental clarity and sustained energy levels throughout the morning. Let's explore the options that ensure that even amid a hectic schedule, health remains a top priority. Overnight oats. Overnight oats are a convenient solution for busy mornings when time is limited. By simply combining rolled oats with your choice of milk, adding nutritious chia seeds, and topping it all with fresh fruits like berries or bananas, you can prepare a wholesome breakfast in advance. All you need to do is mix these ingredients together in a container or jar, refrigerate overnight, and wake up to a ready-to-eat meal. This preparation method not only saves time in the morning but also ensures you start your day with a balanced meal that provides essential nutrients, fiber, and sustained energy. Egg muffins. Egg muffins are a protein-packed breakfast that's ideal for preparing in advance, making them perfect for busy mornings or weekend meal prep sessions. Simply whisk together eggs and mix in your favorite vegetables such as spinach, bell peppers, and mushrooms. Pour the mixture into a muffin tin and bake until set. Once cooled, store them in the fridge for easy access throughout the week. When you're ready to eat, simply reheat in the microwave for a quick and nutritious breakfast that will keep you satisfied and energized. Breakfast burrito. One excellent breakfast option for busy professionals is a breakfast burrito. It's a convenient and portable meal that can be prepared in advance and enjoyed on the go. Start by scrambling eggs with your favorite vegetables such as bell peppers, onions, and spinach. Add some cooked black beans and a sprinkle of cheese for extra flavor and protein. Spoon the filling onto a whole grain tortilla wrap, fold it into a burrito shape, and wrap it tightly in foil or parchment paper. Store them in the fridge or freezer for a quick breakfast option throughout the week. Just unwrap, heat in the microwave, and enjoy a satisfying and balanced meal to kickstart your day. Smoothie packs. Another great option for busy mornings is preparing smoothie packs ahead of time. By portioning out fruits, vegetables, and optional protein powder into individual bags or containers, you can streamline your morning routine. Simply grab a pack from the fridge or freezer, dump the contents into a blender with your choice of liquid, such as water, milk, or yogurt, and blend until smooth. This quick and easy method ensures you have a nutritious smoothie ready in minutes, packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber to kickstart your day on a healthy note. Now comes the second most important meal of the day, lunch. For busy 9-to-5 professionals, lunch provides the necessary fuel to maintain energy and productivity throughout the day. A balanced midday meal is crucial for avoiding the afternoon slump and ensuring that you stay focused and efficient at work. It's a time to recharge and refuel, both physically and mentally, preparing you to tackle the tasks ahead with renewed vigor. Finding nutritious and easy-to-make lunch options can be key to maintaining a healthy lifestyle amidst a hectic schedule. These meals should be satisfying yet light enough to prevent post-lunch drowsiness, keeping you alert and productive until the end of the workday. Let's explore some nutritious and easy-to-make lunch meals that'll charge you up and keep you going. Mason jar salads. Mason jar salads are an excellent choice for a portable and balanced meal, especially for those with busy schedules. Mason jar salads are perfect for busy professionals looking for a convenient and nutritious meal option. Even if your workday is packed, you can easily prepare a mason jar salad by layering ingredients strategically. Start with the dressing at the bottom to keep the ingredients from becoming soggy. Then, add hearty vegetables like cucumbers and carrots, followed by toppings such as nuts, seeds, or proteins. Finally, layer greens on top to keep them crisp. This method ensures your salad remains fresh and flavorful until you're ready to enjoy it, providing a satisfying meal that keeps you fueled and focused throughout the day without the worry of hunger due to lack of preparation time. Wraps. Wraps are a versatile and convenient option for busy professionals looking to prep meals ahead of time. Opting for whole grain wraps enhances the fiber content, promoting sustained energy levels throughout the day. Fill your wraps with lean proteins such as grilled chicken or turkey, which provide essential amino acids for muscle repair and satiety. Incorporate plenty of fresh vegetables like crisp lettuce, juicy tomatoes, and crunchy bell peppers to boost vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Adding healthy fats such as creamy avocado or nutrient-rich hummus not only enhances flavor but also contributes to a satisfying meal that keeps hunger at bay. Once assembled, wrap them tightly in foil or parchment paper and store in the fridge for quick and easy access during busy weekdays. This method ensures you have a balanced and nutritious meal ready to go, supporting your energy levels and productivity throughout the day. Sandwiches. Sandwiches offer another convenient option for meal prepping, ideal for busy professionals who prefer bread over wraps. Choosing whole grain bread provides complex carbohydrates that release energy steadily, helping to sustain focus and productivity. Fill your sandwiches with lean proteins like sliced turkey or chicken breast, which offer high-quality protein to support muscle maintenance and repair. Load up on fresh vegetables such as leafy greens, sliced cucumbers, and tomatoes to increase fiber and add vital nutrients. Including spreads like hummus or mashed avocado adds creamy texture and healthy fats, enhancing both flavor and satisfaction. After assembly, wrap sandwiches tightly in foil or place them in airtight containers for storage in the fridge. This ensures you have a convenient and wholesome meal ready to enjoy whenever hunger strikes, making it easier to stay nourished and focused throughout your busy day. Now comes the most awaited treat of the day. Dinner holds a special significance for busy professionals, providing an opportunity to replenish energy and nutrients after a demanding day. A well-balanced evening meal not only supports physical recovery but also promotes relaxation, preparing the body for a restful night's sleep and ensuring you wake up refreshed and ready for a productive day ahead. For busy individuals, managing an easy and nutritious dinner is essential. Let's explore some strategies and meal ideas that allow for a healthy dinner without added stress or extensive preparation. Sheet pan meals. Sheet pan meals are indeed a lifesaver for busy professionals looking to prepare easy and nutritious dinners. Sheet pan meals offer a practical solution for preparing dinner with minimal effort. Simply toss your choice of protein and vegetables onto a baking sheet, season them to taste, and bake everything together in the oven. This method allows you to prep everything ahead of time, making it perfect for busy schedules. For example, you can create delicious combinations like chicken with broccoli and sweet potatoes, or salmon paired with asparagus and cherry tomatoes. These meals not only require minimal preparation but also ensure that you enjoy a balanced dinner with a variety of flavors and nutrients, all while minimizing cleanup time. It's a practical approach to maintaining a healthy diet without sacrificing time or quality. Stir fries. Stir fries are a go-to choice for those seeking a quick and customizable dinner solution. By prepping your vegetables and proteins ahead of time, you can streamline the cooking process. When you're ready to eat, simply stir-fry them in a pan with your favorite sauce or seasoning. Serve your stir-fry over brown rice or quinoa to add fiber and complex carbohydrates, creating a satisfying and complete meal. This approach not only saves time but also allows you to enjoy a nutritious dinner packed with fresh ingredients and flavors, making it a versatile option for any busy weeknight. One-pot pasta. For a delightful dinner that's as easy as it is delicious, try one-pot pasta. This dish is a lifesaver for busy professionals, requiring minimal cleanup. Simply toss dry pasta into a pot with your favorite vegetables, such as cherry tomatoes, spinach, and mushrooms. Add in some garlic, herbs, and a splash of broth or water. Bring it all to a boil, then simmer until the pasta is tender and the sauce has thickened, stirring occasionally. Finish off with a sprinkle of Parmesan cheese and fresh basil if you're feeling fancy. Voila! A satisfying meal that's sure to impress without the hassle of multiple pots and pans. Enjoy your tasty creation and pat yourself on the back for mastering the art of effortless cooking. Slow cooker recipes. The slow cooker is indeed a lifesaver for busy professionals looking to enjoy a delicious, home-cooked meal with minimal effort. The slow cooker is a busy professional's best friend when it comes to preparing meals effortlessly. Simply toss your ingredients into the cooker in the morning, set it on low heat, and by the time you return home, a flavorful and tender meal will be waiting for you. Consider trying hearty options like vegetable stew, chili packed with beans and spices, or shredded chicken that can be used in various dishes throughout the week. This method not only saves time but also allows you to enjoy a comforting and nutritious dinner without the stress of last-minute cooking. It's a practical solution for maintaining a balanced diet and enjoying homemade meals even on the busiest of days. Snacks. Snacks play a crucial role for busy professionals, providing essential energy boosts that sustain focus and productivity throughout the day. Healthy snacking is key to preventing energy crashes and hunger, ensuring sustained performance and well-being. By opting for nutritious options, professionals can keep their minds sharp and bodies fueled, making it easier to tackle demanding tasks and long hours effectively. Choosing snacks rich in protein, fiber, and healthy fats helps maintain stable blood sugar levels and provides lasting energy, supporting overall mental and physical health amidst a busy schedule. So let us share with you some interesting recipes for a get-go snack pack. Energy balls. Energy balls are easy to prepare and ideal for a quick snack. Simply combine oats, nut butter, honey, or another sweetener, and your choice of add-ins such as chocolate chips or dried fruit. Mix the ingredients thoroughly, roll the mixture into balls, and store them in the fridge for easy access throughout the week. These energy balls provide a balanced combination of carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats, offering a satisfying snack that boosts energy levels and supports focus between meals. Veggies and hummus. Cut up veggies such as carrots, celery, and bell peppers into bite-sized pieces and portion them into snack bags or containers. Pair each portion with individual hummus cups for a healthy and satisfying snack that's ready to grab and go. This option not only provides essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber but also offers a balanced combination of carbohydrates and protein to keep you fueled and focused throughout your busy day. It's a simple yet effective way to prioritize nutrition and maintain energy levels between meals. Greek yogurt and berries. Greek yogurt is packed with protein, making it an excellent snack choice. Portion out a serving of Greek yogurt and top it with fresh or frozen berries for added antioxidants and a burst of flavor. Finish with a drizzle of honey to sweeten it naturally. This quick and satisfying snack not only provides essential nutrients but also helps keep you full and energized between meals, making it ideal for busy professionals looking to maintain a balanced diet throughout the day. So there you have it, folks. Meal prepping doesn't have to feel overwhelming. With a bit of planning and simple strategies, you can ensure you have nutritious meals ready to go, even on your busiest days. Consistency is key to maintaining a healthy diet and reducing stress around meal times. Start by planning a few easy-to-prepare meals for the week ahead. Store ingredients in separate containers for easy assembly throughout the week. Gradually expand your repertoire as you become more comfortable with meal prepping. This approach can become a rewarding habit that supports your health and well-being over the long term. By integrating meal prep into your routine, you'll enjoy the convenience of ready-to-eat meals while staying on track with your health goals. Thank you for joining us today. We hope these meal prep ideas help you stay healthy and energized throughout your busy week. By planning ahead and implementing these strategies, you can ensure nutritious meals are always accessible, even during hectic schedules. Remember to share your own meal prep tips and favorite recipes in the comments below. Stay healthy, stay happy, and we'll see you in the next video.